Assalamualaikum, my name is Adam Lukman. The title is ATV Suspension System Testing Device. Test ring. ATV are off-road vehicle tested using specialized ring to ensure performance, safety and reliability. The ring simulate top condition to check suspension, brake and durability, help manufacturer improve design and meet user need. Objective: to design and fabricate the factual formwork for all wheels of the ATV suspension. And the second, to install pneumatic actuator capable of simulating vertical and lateral force. And the third, to provide a fast, efficient and cost-effective. Problem on situation. First is lack of suspension testing in Malaysia. Second is safety concern. And the last, current method are unable to effectively simulate real work forces. Benefit on industrial. First is unlimited access. Second is be able to know the data. The last will be more safe to use an ATV. Product specification. First is checking the function of ATV suspension. Second, check the stability of ATV. And the last, being able to if an ATV is safe to use or not. This is a 3 picture of product benchmark.
I'm going to continue with customer requirement part. We are sending out surveys to many ATV users and suppliers in around Melaka and other city. First, we ask our respondent, do you currently use any testing ATV device suspension system? 70% of the respondent answered yes and 30% said no. Then we ask how often the user use ATV suspension system testing. We got several kind of answer. 40% said monthly, 30% said weekly, and 30% answered occasionally. We also asked respondent what is the most important feature in an ATV suspension testing device. 6 people have responded that durability and reliability was the most important feature. Accuracy and of result also one of the most important feature in an ATV suspension device. And ease of use, cost effectiveness, and customizability has been chosen by 3 to all of the features. Next, we ask our respondent what is the most challenge you face with suspension testing equipment. 2 of the challenge have been chosen by 6 people, by 6 respondents, and the challenge is limited load capacity and lack of flexibility in testing condition. Next, we also ask our respondent, would you be interested in a testing device that use pneumatic actuator for ATV suspension system? And most of the respondents answered yes. Next question, we ask to our respondent what additional feature would you expect in an ATV suspension system testing device, and the most respondent choose for easy calibration and setup. Last question for our survey, we ask respondent, did respondent prefer portable or fixed size test rig, and 80% of the respondent choose portable. That's all.
Okay, hello, my name is Emin Haziq, and I'm going to present about the conceptual design solution by using the morphology chart. As you can see here, that there are 3 options in the morphology chart. There are option 1, option 2, and option 3. In option 1, it uses a hydraulic cylinder and scissor-like interlocking frame, flat plate, stationary. And in option 2, it uses electromechanical actuators, compact rectangular unit with casters, V-shaped plate, and highly portable, which is its using wheel. And option 3 is using pneumatic actuator, independent vertical post, 4 adjustable wheel contact plate, and also it uses fixed. So based on this, we all agreed that we are going to use option number 1. The reason is because if we can see in the best concept design solution in the pool selection, by using the pool selection, as you can see, solution number 1 has more score than the other 2 options, which is it has the load capacity, ease of use, social scalability, safety, and also the setup time is easier, and also the flexibility is very flexible. So the total score for the solution number 1 is 6, while solution number 2 and solution number 3 have 5 score and 3 score, and the net score is basically solution number 1 is more than the other 2 solutions.
Okay, Assalamualaikum, and I'm Ahmad bin Ashraf, and now I'm going to continue with engineering characteristic. First of all, engineering characteristic, the performance characteristic, the load capacity, maximum load testing device can load up to 250 kg, and the environmental compatibility, the temperature range, operating condition for outdoor and indoor use, weather resistant, is resistant to dust, moisture or other environment factor. And other than that, the structural characteristic is like frame strength can withstand the cylindrical force without deformation, and the adjustability is ability to test different ATV size and suspension setup. And lastly, the usable characteristic is of operation, user-friendly interface and control for test setup. And next is estimate single production cost. So as you can see, the cost has been distributed, and the final total cost for single production is around 700 ringgit. That's the minimum cost for this product. And this is our design for our product, and that's it. Thank you.